Hi everybody, my name is Charles Guinnett, Sales Manager at Eco Trak Industries. As some of you already knows, me and the owner of the company, Mr. Clement Gauvin, were at Las Vegas last week for ConExpo. So in respect of the government restriction due to the COVID-19 crisis, me and Mr. Gauvin had decided to be in quarantine for 14 days. As we cannot visit our customer to answer about the interrogation about our products, I decided to do it with a web capsule. You're going to see on the screen my contact info. Do not hesitate to contact me if you have any question or interrogation or you want to know more about our products. It's going to be a pleasure for me to answer it. So we have decided to start this capsule with one of our main products at Eco Trak, a well-known products, the range limiting device, the Limit Pro. One of the reasons why the Limit Pro is probably the best range limiting device on the market, first of all, the system is with a screen. So you always see on the screen the position of your excavator, you see exactly what you do, and you don't have to remember how the system works. You don't have to always check on your user manual to see how to set limit or everything, because range limiting device is not something that you use every day, but the system's gonna guide you step by step how to set your limitation. And this is really why this system is so wonderful. With the Limit Pro, you have three options. When you want to put a limitation, you just have to choose to put the button limitation, and you have the three options that appear on the screen. The first option is probably the simplest one. This is the 360 degrees roof. So you put max 8 you want to reach, and that limitation is going to be the same no matter how you rotate your excavator. You're going to have the same limitation everywhere. Example, we choose that option, 360 degrees roof, and the system's going to tell you exactly what to do. Just have to adjust the boom to the max 8 you want to reach. One important thing, when you want to set your limitation, the range limiting device always take in consideration only the boom tilt. So you always have to adjust your stick and bucket at the maximum 8 possible you can reach. So I adjust it to the max 8 and I push the accept button. The system's gonna allow you a 7-second period to exit your limit, and after that your limit are now set. So everywhere you're gonna be with your excavator, you're in working position. So the system is gonna warn you just before reaching your limit with visual and sound to warn you that you approach your limit. Nearest you are from your limit, you're gonna see that the beep's gonna be faster, and once you reach your limit, the beep's gonna be in continuous one, and all the controls gonna be cut from the excavator. If you wanna take back your control, you just have to push the accept button, and the system's gonna give you 7 seconds to move away from your limitation. After that, if you want to cancel your limitation, you just have to put the cancel button, and the system's gonna ask you to confirm it because it's a safety device. You just have to confirm it, and now your excavator do not have any more limitation on it. We're going to see now the second option, limitation 8 zone. Example, you are on a construction area, you have some obstacle, you have power line or something you want to be sure to not reach, but you do not want to be limited everywhere on your working zone. This is the option for you. Limitation zone. We select it. You just have to adjust your stick and your bucket at the maximum 8 you want to reach and adjust the boom. Now you only have one more thing to do, is to position your excavator on the beginning of your zone and you do accept. And after that, the system is gonna ask you to rotate the excavator to the end of your zone. You do accept again, and now this zone is with a limitation at the max 8 you have put your boom. You see on the screen the zone where you have put your limitation. This is the zone number 1, because you can have up to 3 different zones with that option. When you're out of your zone, you can work at any 8 you want to reach. You don't have any restriction, but if you go back in your zone, you're gonna have a limitation at the maximum 8 you have set. Same thing if you are in your working area without any limitation and you have forget that you have a limitation on your zone. If you rotate to your zone, the system's gonna stop when you reach your target. And the system is really smart. It's gonna take in consideration the speed of your swing, because if you arrive faster, the excavator is slower to stop. So the system gonna stop a little bit before your zone. So it's gonna be sure that you will not exceed your zone.
Mais on pourrait en programmer une seconde et même une troisième. On peut avoir jusqu'à 3 zones avec des limitations d'auteur différentes. Exemple, ici, je me mets une hauteur X et ici, je me mets une autre hauteur différente. On peut en avoir jusqu'à 3.
If you want to program other zone, you just have to do exactly the same thing. You go in limitation, you choose limitation zone, and you do all the screen's gonna tell you to program another zone, and you do it again and again to put second and or third zone. Now we're going to see the third option. So for that, we're gonna cancel the limitation. And the third option is a non-rotation zone. Example, you're working and there's a road behind you and you do not want to exceed your rotation zone to cause an accident with car or anything, so you choose the non-limitation zone. For that, it's pretty simple. So you rotate to the beginning of your zone, you do accept, and the system tells you to rotate till the end of your zone using your working area. So you determine what's going to be your working area and the rest going to be a non-rotation zone. Same thing, if you arrive really too fast, the system's going to stop before you reach your zone just to be sure that you do not exceed your limit. What is good with the system? You can do some combination with the system. You can do a non-rotation zone with 360 degrees roof. You can do also a non-rotation zone with 3 different 8 limitation zone. So the system is really well made to be sure that your working area is safe. The system is really simple to operate. Every operator can set limit really easily, so we have made this system for everyone. The system comes with the Eco Trak guarantee, so you have 2 years for the component and 1 year for the labor. And the system is made with a really heavy-duty components, so the system is going to be reliable for many years. Feel free to contact me if you want to have more information about the products or want to make an order. So thank you very much and have a good day.
Et en plus, c'est un produit québécois. On a toujours encore une très bonne équipe de techniciens répartis un peu à la grandeur du Québec. Donc, on répond très rapidement à la demande. Alors, n'hésitez pas à me contacter si jamais vous voulez avoir plus d'informations ou vous voulez commander vos limites pro pour la saison qui s'en vient. Contactez-moi, ça va me faire un gros plaisir. Sur ce, je vous souhaite une bonne fin de journée et on se reparle pour une autre capsule web un peu plus tard cette semaine.